Can this get laid on the trailer or no?
Yeah. I just got one.
Not too bad. All my tools are getting used to do the fixing job.
Then why don't you do the fixing?
Because I don't have two good hands. I have one useful hand, that's it.
Then obviously they're not your tools anymore.
They were my tools.
They're my tools now. I don't know which one.
Time to go check the coffee. That's more my type of job nowadays. Coffee maker. I don't know, fixing something with for the thumb. Last year, our friend down here broke it off. Did a quick fix. Didn't really hold up. So now he's trying to fix it. Okay, so what piece is that broke? Because I don't know what it's called.
Well, this isn't the original piece.
Yeah, no, that was broken last year.
On that piston, there was a welded in piece that snapped off when Jeff decided to smack the line into the tree. So we couldn't find nothing in the stores. Or a new piston was, what was it, like 800 bucks?
Yeah.
So I just went and picked up a 90. They had a threaded end on both sides. And it fit my hydraulic hose. And I just drilled that piston out, grinded off the broken piece.
Right there.
And then just tapped it so I can put this in there. But unfortunately, little by little, it's leaking, so.
His two helpers.
They help waste time.
Get lost.
They help, like I said, they help waste time.
Oh, leave her alone. Mommy will protect you from the mean dog. And of course, like always, have lots of tools, but let's use the handy dandy Leatherman. Gary's favorite tool of all.
Listen, whoever is stupid enough to walk around without one, they deserve all the headache they get.
And this is the boy that just jumped up, but he's scared to jump. And I'll get yelled at because I'm standing underneath the arm.
The arm is on the ground. I think we need to go get a real file.
My Harbor Freight file set's not good enough?
No, it's kind of
Shitty.
hard to file metal with the wood file.
Minnie Winnie!
Oh, Princess. Thank you.
Ah, looks like the little perfect angel. Looks are very deceiving.
I don't know why you're so mean to that dog. Yes, I know that's not a hammer, but it worked like one right now.
I'm the tool getter. What do you need?
I think that's still not going to be tight enough. But whatever. I guess one day I will have to get another one. Can you grab that 3/4 over there on the...
There you go. You want me to try to hold the crowbar?
A rag, please. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, your shirt's on inside out.
That's what I felt on my neck. Felt something. This is what happens when you wake up when it's still dark out and you don't want to wake your wife up. You put stuff on backwards. Okay, now let's see how good you are at finding holes, woman.
It's not my job.
I know. That's why let's see how good you can be.
Oh, that really dropped.
You might want to get the hammer back. Other side. What kind of mechanic are you? Ho, 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 because I got to line up the holes. Thank you for your assistance.
Wrong side.
Not now, it's not. It's only wrong when you do it. Not when I do it.
Are you guys happy to be here?
Do they look happy right now?
No, they look miserable.
They only look happy when we're playing with them. Or when they're in the creaky. Right?
Dozy should be happy he's not tied up. No leash. No leash.
And the result of that is that we didn't have 2 dogs for 2 hours this morning.
Dozy went bye-bye and nowhere to be found.
And now the poor guy has
No energy.
a torn neck, armpit,
And wiener.
and wiener. Yeah.
I got
What did you do with the 5/8?
right here.
I'm sorry. I did not see you. There.
How many more things can I hold with my left hand at once? Just put my tools away where they belong. All right, you don't need to watch him. Watch. We'll be back when he turns it on and we see if it works and it's leaking.
Oh, it's gonna work, but it's gonna leak probably.
And Dosie's gonna here to supervise. And we have to use the excavator to move my tiller. Gotta wait for it to prime.
Ready? Ready? Go. You are a loser.
Engine warming up. Hey, you rugby. Come all the way up and hold it now for a little bit. Do the same thing when you go down so it builds up pressure and I can see if it leaks. I can go down now?
Yes.
Well, you said hold it.
I meant hold the button
Oh.
so it builds up pressure, babe.
Ah.
Now do it while you bring it up and you hold the button. You hear how it's building the pressure? Alright. Teflon tape is the way to go.
I thought I was going to catch a dozer.
Don't pinch the dozer.
I already spanked him with it. All right, can I turn this off?
What are you doing? You're gonna hit Minnie.
I'm moving it.
But you're gonna hit Minnie. You lift up the blade a little bit. Just look what you're doing.
I don't know how.
Yeah, just like that. You got it. It's not that much.
Doze, move. See? I'm an excavator operator.
Yeah. Definitely are, baby. That was
And we are, when we get back to town, gonna clear back there a little bit so we can tuck that trailer back there.
all right. Did you have your fun?
I'm going to park it over there.
Can I just do it? I don't have all day.
How rude. And he wonders why I'm not very good at it because he doesn't give me a chance to play ever.
This is for you. Look.
No.
Go hang some laundry. How about that?
Pain in the rear end. He is what I call my growth on top of a hemorrhoid. town to get a few things, which going to town to go to Rural King. We'll get in there. It takes us about a half hour just to get there. So the drive time is about an hour, plus we got to search for the few things that we need. Well, I guess we're not going to town yet. And
guess it's time to go get the chainsaw. Once he fixes the chainsaw, he'll be back at it,